George in Kansas City, Missouri, is interested in. I think this is a name that we may have gone over when we did some of our retail chat, but TJ Maxx, which is the owner of a few retail establishments, I believe.
Yeah, like Marshalls, Home Goods, TJ Maxx. This is TJX. This is the umbrella company. Yeah, I mean, I have to be honest. I've sold premium against TJ Maxx for like the last 15 years. It's a company that tends to create the patterns we want to see. That they're rarely in the news, which is great for us. They tend to just have investors that want to see it keep going. They pay off nice dividends, so the people who invest in TJ Maxx don't necessarily care if the stock price goes up because they get their quarterly paycheck. And so that creates an environment for us to be selling some healthy premium. The option chain, as I can show you here, there's plenty of open interest, small bid-ask spreads. There's a lot of potential for selling different options or buying different options. So there's definitely a market for us. Looking at this pattern, it looks like TJ Maxx or TJX companies has stalled around the $60 mark, and it's just oscillating. So that just sets us up well. It looks like I got a shorting signal back on June 3rd, and it looks like on June 6th, which was the Monday after June 3rd, we did get follow through. So if you shorted TJX companies back on June 6th, I think that's great. I think we might have, especially with the drop today, missed some opportunities if we didn't sell it, up here at the $62 mark. We're already down at the $59 mark. George, I think maybe we're a little late to the game. However, you never know. We might get a rebound next week on Tuesday and Wednesday once the Fed announces their moves. And I think that we're seeing a little bit of a hysteria today on the CPI report. I think that might get reversed for a couple of days next week when the Fed releases its actionable items and they don't surprise anybody. So we might see some short-term buying, and that might be a second opportunity to get into TJX and short it. But that's what I would be doing. I'd be shorting TJX and then looking for premium selling opportunities, just like we talk about in that free workshop that we run every day.